Unlocking Rs 30,000 per day. 7 proven methods for 2025 success. In today's fast-evolving digital economy, earning Rs 30,000 per day might sound like a lofty dream, but it's becoming an achievable reality for many. In this video, we'll explore 7 proven methods that have helped countless Indians turn their skills and creativity into significant daily income. From selling stock images to creating digital products, these opportunities are real, scalable, and waiting for you to take action. Let's dive in. Selling stock images and footage. Monetize your creativity. If you're passionate about photography or videography, selling stock images and footage is a lucrative way to earn passive income. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow creators to upload high-quality visuals that businesses, marketers, and content creators purchase for their projects. Indians have already found incredible success in this field by leveraging their unique cultural perspectives and artistic eye. With the growing demand for authentic and diverse content, this is your chance to turn your camera skills into a steady income stream. Online tutoring and ebook writing. Share knowledge, earn big education has gone digital, and online tutoring platforms like Vedantu, Byju's, and Chegg are booming. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, you can teach students worldwide from the comfort of your home. Similarly, writing and publishing ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allows you to share your expertise while earning royalties. Whether it's academic subjects, life skills, or niche topics, Indians have proven that knowledge truly is power and profit. Virtual event hosting and niche blogging. Build communities, build wealth. The rise of virtual events has created a new avenue for earning income. As a virtual event host or organizer, you can plan and execute webinars, workshops, or even entertainment events for global audiences. Platforms like Zoom and Hopin make this easier than ever. Meanwhile, niche blogging allows you to create content around specific interests such as travel, food, or fitness. By monetizing your blog through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, you can generate consistent revenue while doing what you love. Online gaming, streaming, and digital products. Tap into entertainment and innovation. The gaming and streaming industry is exploding, with platforms like YouTube Gaming and Twitch enabling gamers to earn through ad revenue, donations, and sponsorships. If gaming isn't your forte, consider creating and selling digital products such as templates, design assets, or tools on marketplaces like Gumroad or Etsy. Additionally, developing and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable can help you share your expertise while generating recurring income. Conclusion. The time to act is now. Earning Rs 30,000 per day may seem ambitious, but it's entirely possible with the right approach and dedication. The key is to identify your strengths, choose a method that aligns with your skills and interests, and remain consistent in your efforts. These 7 strategies, selling stock visuals, online tutoring, ebook writing, virtual event hosting, niche blogging, gaming and streaming, and creating digital products, are not just theoretical. They've been successfully implemented by Indians who dared to dream big. So why not you? Start today and let 2025 be the year you achieve financial freedom.